Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, or 9 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not responding or being very sluggish or anything like that, seems to be not working or not connecting, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. And the second reason is if you're trying to get this back to the way it was when it was brand new, with just wiping everything off of it, getting all the configurations off of it, for whatever reason, if you're selling it or buying a used one, or just, for any reason you want to get a fresh start, it's really easy to do. All we need to do is from the idle screen, we're just going to swipe down and then swipe left. And that's going to open a menu where we're going to select Preferences, and then from Preferences we will select Reset, and then from Reset we will select Factory Reset. Now after that it's going to give you a confirmation screen where you'll hit reset again, keeping in mind once you hit this reset again it's going to wipe everything off and this camera will go back to the way it was when it came out of the box.